Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop a screenshot on iPad 9th Gen. To crop a screenshot on iPad 9th Gen, click on two buttons at once to first take the screenshot. So you need to press on Power and Home button at once. This creates a screenshot. Now you can click on the screenshot in bottom left corner, and to crop it, just hold on one of the edges or the corners like that, and it crops the screenshot so you can hide certain parts of the screenshot. Then you can click on Done. You can either save it to Photos, save it to Files, or save it to Quick Notes. You can also copy and delete, so you can copy it to send it to someone, but it will not be saved in your gallery. Or if you don't like the screenshot, you can just delete it here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.